The tracking module uses tasks which you can allocate to a project and then create invoices. So on the tracking menu, having set up our employees, we're now going to look at the tasks. Now, this is a set of tasks that I have created for the example company that I'm using here, and you can see there's a number of tasks and they all relate to different activities that take place during a Prince2 style project. So there's tasks for starting off the project, there's tasks for ending the project and managing the various stages and deliveries. There's also a task for business miles so that people can record any business journeys relating to the project that are going to be charged to the client. And there's also an expenses task which can be used to record money directly to be allocated to the project. So if you want to create a new task, it's very simple. You click on the new button and you will be able to give your task a code. Now each task has to have a unique code, so I'll give it one there, and a name. Now what happens when you're allocating tasks to projects, you will be offered a drop-down list showing a combination of the task code and the name, so it is worth putting a name in here as well as just using the code. I'm just going to put new task in there. Okay, the description field, this can be used to give more information about the particular task, and as you can see in here we've got more information on the various project stages and what actually happens during them. That can be left blank if you wish. The next option is to select what type of units you're going to use for this task, and in this case I'm going to use the hourly unit, which if you remember is set up in the company information area. You can then specify whether this task is a chargeable task by default or not, and I'm going to click yes for here. And then the next item is you can show which of the accounts in your chart of accounts you want this work to be coded to. So for example, for this case I'm going to put it down as training, and also VAT, it will default to the VAT rate applied to that account, but you can change it if you wanted to. So having done that, you can save your task and it will then be ready to use in the tracking module.